If you are a YouTuber or SEO expert, then you already know the importance of keywords. You have multiple online tools to get those keywords like vidIQ, Ahref, or keywords everywhere, but amongst all, Google is the best source of keyword provider, and Google Autocomplete is one of them. What exactly is Google Autocomplete? While searching for a query in Google or YouTube, you might have noticed that when you start typing a keyword, a list of related queries appear in form of a drop-down list. And this helps you to quickly select from the drop-down list. This is called Google Autocomplete. Hi everyone, welcome to Technitize. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can copy Google Autocomplete keywords with the help of Octoparse web scraper. Unlike Google Keyword Planner, there's no way to download autocomplete keywords. You may find multiple online tools to download them, but none of them is as good as Octoparse, which is totally free. First step is to download Octoparse application. I have provided the link in description, and you may also watch my earlier tutorial on Octoparse. Let's assume the keyword we are working on is YouTube SEO. And when we type YouTube SEO in the search bar, you can see there's a list of all the related keywords. And if you press space and enter A, and then we get all the keywords that starts with A after your main keyword. Similarly, we can type B and C, and it goes on until Z. So if we type underscore, so it's space and underscore at the end, there's another list, and similarly we type underscore and space at the start of our main keyword, we get another list, but there's no option to save or copy these keywords. So normally people, what they are doing is to take a screenshot like this, and then they upload to a cloud, and then they extract text from the image, and it's a long procedure. So what we are going to do is to extract all these keywords with Octoparse software. But first we need to copy all the keywords in a notepad or Excel, like this I have done. This is our main keyword, and you notice all the keywords are alphabetically, like A, B, C, and it goes on to Z, and then I inserted underscore space and then space underscore space and then YouTube SEO. So this way we can copy in Excel, and here we need to click on new custom task. Just type the YouTube web address, copy from here, insert and save. Now click on the search and press enter text, and then again enter text in loop. So now we can copy all the keywords and paste here and confirm. And once you have entered all the keywords, you need to click on the first one and then click select all similar elements. You can see it has already extracted, and then click text. Apply, save, and press the run button and run in standard mode. Let's see what happens. So it is running and we need to wait until it completes. It is downloading all the keywords we have pasted. Let me return back when it completes 100%. So it is done and it has downloaded 372 keywords within 38 seconds. We need to press extract all, and here press Excel, OK, and save and open file. Here you can see all the keywords have been downloaded alphabetically. See, now all the downloaded keywords are at your disposal. You can shortlist them, you can analyze them, or you do whatever you like. You can insert in your YouTube SEO or your blog. So in comment section, let me know how easy it was, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the notification bell. I see you in the next upcoming video. Thank you.